My turn. Guys, what did you do? Did you break it? But guess what? This is unbreakable. Look at this. Whee!
What?
I can even stand on it. Look. Oh, nothing happened to it.
Wait, let me stand on it. Then
Action.
Mozo, look. It's unbreakable. I can throw it in like 5 meters in the sky, but it won't. It still won't break. Look at it. Whee!
what? Wait, let me try. What? Let me step on it.
Not like that.
It's broken.
No, it's not.
Wait, let me sit on it. Let me sit. What?
Still not broken. Yo, what's everybody? Welcome back to another vlog by the
Nemo Brothers.
and today we have a surprise for you guys and we want to show you the surprise. We're gonna be unboxing an RC car.
It goes 48 miles
Per hour. Yo guys, as you can see, the company that made this, it's Typhoon obviously, and the car's name is Typhoon 2. It's a monster truck which is 10 big foot tall, basically. Like, it's not tall, wide.
Guys, look at this. Let's open it. Open it.
Look at the size of this thing. It's so big. Guys, as you can see, it's 10 feet tall. It's meant for off-roading. It's a 4x4. It's RTR. Also, it's 2.4 gigahertz, the controller. It has a motor. It has a LiPo battery. It has a USB stick. Also, the off-road tires. You can't forget that one.
And it goes 85 horsepower.
Which basically rounds to 70 miles per hour.
It doesn't even get broken when you slap it.
So guys, watch the video till the end, and now it's time to open it.
Let's open it.
Let's go. Oh my.
Stickers.
One thing I hate about like RC cars, the stickers. I can't take out this one. Guys, this is so hard, I can't take it out.
I already opened it.
Bro.
You're a weakling.
There you go. Finally, I got it.
Controller, guys.
Wait.
This is the battery.
Yeah. So guys, now for the car. Let's take it out. Noise. Mozo.
I have never done this before.
Mozo. Now for the car. Oh my, guys, this is so big. Guys, who needs the manual? Nobody cares about that. Everyone cares about this.
Trash, man.
Guys, nobody needs this neither
We not need
or
this.
that. Guys, look at this beast. Wait. So guys,
look at the beast. Wow, it looks amazing. It has the wheelie bar. Guys,
Guys, what did you do? Did you break it? But guess what? This is unbreakable. Look at this. Whee!
What?
I can even stand on it. Look. Oh, nothing happened to it.
Wait, let me stand on it. Then
Action.
Mozo, look. It's unbreakable. I can throw it in like 5 meters in the sky, but it won't. It still won't break. Look at it.
what? Wait, Wait, let me try. What? Let me step on it.
Not like that.
It's broken!
No, it's not.
Wait, let me sit on it. What?
Still not broken. Guys, look at this. It's so heavy and it's unbreakable. Look at me jumping on it.
What? Let me try.
Look, guys.
I'm gonna try to sit. Oh, this is actually comfortable. Actually,
Try to sit.
it's very comfortable. You're
So
gonna.
heavy and strong. I can even sit on it.
It's so comfortable.
Yeah.
Get up, my turn.
My turn. videos like this to understand and only thing you have to do is like, subscribe and comment.